Hey guys, Trey here from AmericanMuscle.com, and today we're checking out this J&L 3.0 oil separator in anodized black for the passenger side, designed for 2011 to 2023 6.4 liter HEMI Challengers without the shaker hood. This product is going to be ideal for owners looking to protect their engine from harmful blow-by and maintain peak performance in the long haul. This oil separator is designed to keep oil and other contaminants out of your intake system, which can cause carbon buildup and performance loss over time. So this unit uses a multi-stage filtration process to efficiently trap oils and vapors, ensuring only clean air cycles back into the intake. It features a compact and efficient design, making it ideal for use in tight engine bays without sacrificing effectiveness. Additionally, the oil separator is custom fit for the passenger side of your Challenger, ensuring a seamless, hassle-free integration into the engine compartment. This thing is going to be constructed from high-quality billet aluminum, so the oil separator is built to withstand the harsh engine environments and resist corrosion. The black anodized finish adds durability while offering a sleek, low-profile appearance that complements your Challenger's engine bay. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's going to come in right around that $200 range, which is a solid value for the protection and longevity that it's going to provide for your engine. Install is going to be very straightforward on this, rated only a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, and should only take you about 30 minutes to complete, making it accessible for beginners, but I will note that you'll need to have a stock L-tube connector for the proper fitment. Now let's see exactly how this goes on with an install video from one of our AmericanMuscle.com customers.
How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to be installing the J&L oil separator on my 2023 Charger Scat Pack. It's a pretty straightforward install. I got my other phone here with the instructions. They give you a QR code you can scan. You can either have printed instructions or you can have an instructional video. I went ahead and did the printed instructions. As I said, it's a pretty straightforward install. It shouldn't take too long to do. You pretty much only need 2 tools. You have your socket here, 15 millimeter, and our Phillips head screwdriver. In our box, we have our oil separator. It comes with the hose for you, has the connectors on it already. And then it gives you a little bag here with the bracket. That's gonna mount to the engine block. And then there's 2 screws that are also in the bag for you as well. You're gonna put the oil separator, screw it on here, connect your hoses, and you're good to go. You go ahead and adjust the camera so you can see the engine bay, and we can go ahead and get started. But as I stated, it's a pretty simple install. Go ahead and get all of our stuff out. As per your directions, the first thing it tells you to do is to go ahead and remove this hose here. Really easy to do. You just pop it off, pull that out. Now you're going to need this little elbow here. So we're going to go ahead and get it off of this old hose, keep that for us for once we have the oil separator on. Then what we're going to do is take our 15 millimeter and we're going to go ahead and remove this bolt here. Now you can use your fingers, you can use the socket, whatever's easiest for you. Sometimes it might get snagged. Once we have that off, we'll go ahead and take our bracket. Bracket's going to sit just like that. Go ahead and screw this back on. Go ahead and tighten it up. I won't tighten it too hard, in case we have to wiggle it around a little bit, get a good fitment on there. And then what we're going to do is take these 2 screws out of this bag here. Take our can itself. It's going to go on top. I'm going to line up our holes. Start that one in a little bit. We'll go ahead and do our other one here. Again, you don't have to tighten it all the way just this moment. We can go ahead and connect this hose back into our little rubber fitting there. And then we'll take our little elbow, this is why we don't tighten it. And go ahead, put it back on there, take our elbow, connect it in there. Now that we have everything on, we'll go ahead and tighten our screws here. And then, once that's done, make sure we got everything's connected snug. We'll go ahead, tighten that back up, and there it is. That's pretty much all there is to it. We've installed the oil separator. Everything's back together. Nothing wiggles around. All the hoses are in good. Now we're good to go. Thank you all for watching this video, and I hope to make some more with some other parts that I buy.
All right, well that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the J&L 3.0 oil separator in anodized black for the 2011 to 2023 6.4 liter HEMI Challengers without the shaker hood. And for all things Challenger, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.